This is the Galaxy Beefy Baby. This has been the standard for skid steer equipment for years. OE tire, Caterpillar, Bobcat, you name it out there. Fantastic tire. Customers love this tire because it wears like a rock. Yokohama has really got behind this tire. It keeps it moving. It's great. Traction, self-clearing, you name it. It's fantastic. You're going to love this tire. It's just performance. This is all around performance across the board for your skid steer machines. You'll also see this tire here on lifts, which is what this tire here is actually for. It's for your JLG type lifts out there and the other various manufacturers. Fantastic traction, good around the job site, not going to tear it up, not going to rut it up. It's fantastic. Check out the Beefy Baby.